In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a server in V2ray and connect to it. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, launch the V2ray application on your computer. If you don't know how to install V2ray application on computer, click on this card at the top of the video to watch the tutorial I created on that topic. Now, let's proceed. As you can see, there are no servers or configurations added in the V2ray app yet. So open your web browser and go to a website that offers free V2ray servers, which typically last for a few days to a week. There are many websites that provide free servers like this one, and I'll include the links in the video description. So once you land on this website, scroll down until you find the V2ray VMS server, which contains a total of 10 servers, or you can choose the V2ray VLess server, which offers 4 servers. So I'm going for the V2ray VMS server for the purpose of this tutorial. So once the VMS page loads, scroll down to where you will see servers from different location. I usually choose a server located in the United States, as most other servers are offline at the moment I'm recording this video. So after selecting your preferred location, click on Create Account. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see a field for username and SNI. From here, enter a username of your choice. You can leave the SNI field empty or enter an SNI if you have one. Once you're done, click on Create Account. Wait a few seconds for the website to create your VMS account. After the account is successfully created, scroll down and you will see the TLS configuration for the VMS account you created, as well as the one for HTTP. Both configurations have different methods for connecting to the internet, but for this tutorial, we'll use the HTTP configuration. So go ahead and click on Copy to copy the configuration. Next, go back to the V2ray app. Click on Servers at the top left corner of the V2ray app, and from the drop-down menu, select Import Share Links from Clipboard to import the server link you copied from the website. After adding the server, click on it and press the Enter key on your keyboard to activate it. Once activated, the server color will change to blue. To connect to the server and start using V2ray, go to the bottom of the application and change the system proxy from Clear System Proxy to Set System Proxy. This will allow you to browse the internet via the V2ray server. To verify that the server is working, open your browser and visit a website that displays your IP address. You will see that your current IP address matches the IP address of your V2ray server. Another way to confirm your connection is by checking your location. If it changes from your actual location to the server location based on the server you're using, then you are connected to the V2ray server. That's all for this tutorial, and I hope it helps. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you in future tutorials.